Okay guys, welcome back to Pulsate for the second of our videos on our newest piece of equipment, the skill mill. We'll be taking on the exercises we showed you in video number 1 to give you a few more ideas on how to get the most out of the kit. Okay, in the last video we had you walking in a brisk fashion without your hands on the side of the bars. We're now going to take that into a jog. So take your resistance bar down towards a 4 or a 3, step towards the front of the belt, nice upright posture, and just start to increase into a jog. Okay, and then if you're feeling brave enough, why not take that into a faster run? All right, so for our next one, we're going to take the speed down a notch. We're going to increase the resistance. Remember that high sled from video 1? We're going to use that and increase the intensity, get nice and low into the position on the board and push back that resistance. Let's go. Now for something a little bit fancy. Remember those side steps from video 1? We're going to take that on a notch now and we're going to look to do some CARIOCA steps. That means 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Let's have a go. Okay, so for the last exercise of this round, we need to be facing the other way. We're going to be working on our hamstrings, and it's a dynamic sled pull this time. So turn yourselves around, increase the resistance to around a 5 or a 6, and pull that belt towards you. Well done everybody, that was the second video for our newest piece of equipment, the skill mill. Tune in for our last video where we'll be showing you some really fancy exercises and ones that can really get your heart rate up.